Hey, have your gouache paints ever looked like this? This can definitely happen over time, so let's clean them. I'm taking the cups out with this tool I have from my Cricut machine. Make sure you cover your surfaces too, as this can be a messy process. Once all the cups are removed, the case needs a good wash. I'm giving this a rinse, adding some washing up liquid, or you can use some hand soap. You can also use an old toothbrush. This can be a useful tool. For the case top, I'm using a wet cloth and getting as much of the paint residue off. I'm trying to not over wet the top as it's foam and I don't want it to become too damp. Set aside and let this dry. I've got some kitchen tissues, wipes, cotton buds and a small trash bag, my Cricut tool, some palette knives and spatulas, and the main tool, which is this mixing tool I got from Amazon. You'll also need some water. I'm using this spray bottle. I start off by wiping the edges, as this can be really sticky. Then using a cotton swab to clean up the edges. Add some water, working the water into the paint slowly. Then I can go in with my mixing tool. If you feel your paint is too thick, add some more water, then mix with the tool again, till you get a good consistency. I'm cleaning up the edges again, and I keep repeating this process for each of the cups. For each of the sections of colours, I like to clean up, wiping down the surfaces, changing out the water, making sure all the tools are clean. This way our paint won't mix in with the other colours. Now that all the cups are mixed, time to add them back into the case. Adding them back in, but in a different order. There's no rules, it's just what you find works best for you, and how you work with the colours. For the final part, you just need to spray them with a bit of water. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.